You know I got it. I pull up, I come round, make my rounds, it's my town. Like, you know I got it. Hey, when I'm round, they now. What's up now? This touchdown. Like, hey, Nick from City be hating them niggas, don't show me no love. Hey, it is what it is, cause I'm brushing my shoulders, walk off with a shrug. Hey, this shit is a dub. Hey, this shit is a dubsy. Hey, why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love me? Hey, I cannot feel none of you niggas, I only feel one that's above me. Hey, come for me quick and I promise my niggas won't make it get ugly. Hey, this shit is a dub. Hey, this shit is a dubsy. Hey, why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love me?
Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and I really want to say a big thank you to all of the support that I received on my previous YouTube video about leaving my 9-to-5 job. And some of you guys have also commented about your experiences of leaving that normal 9-to-5 life to pursue something that you're really happy and fulfilled to do. And that really gives me a lot of comfort that, you know, what I'm doing in this next chapter of my life is sort of the right direction. So yeah, really grateful for all of you guys, grateful for this platform that has allowed me to take this next step. And yeah, I just really do appreciate all of you. So I recently picked up this standing desk about a week ago. Now that I'm working from home pretty much full time, now I think it's very crucial to have a good desk set up for productivity and focus. So this desk was actually sent out to me by a company called Flexispot in the UK. And it's a really good quality desk. I'm really happy with this. Very durable. I believe the weight limit is like 160 kilos. It can go up to around 130 centimeters tall, and then the lowest height is about 63 centimeters. So a very good range here. Very sturdy desk. You know, like I can literally shake it like this and nothing's really moving, which is very good. So this tabletop is actually the smallest one that you can get. It's 120 centimeters by 60 centimeters, and it's still very spacious. Living in this one bed apartment, there isn't actually too much space, so I feel like this is the perfect size, and I've actually had to move the table that was originally here over to that side, and I need to reshuffle a lot of the furniture in this apartment. So yeah, really happy with this desk, really durable. Definitely need to add in more of this cable management as well, maybe get a nicer monitor. So I'm going to do a big desk setup later on in the future, but for now this is a very good start for a lot of productive work. Cool, so I thought I'll share a little bit about what I've been up to in the past week. Now that I am a free man, you know, I get to decide what I want to do every single day. I've actually been pretty busy, to be honest. Like, I've been filming a lot of content pretty much every single day, especially on Instagram. I've been posting every other day-ish and doing more sort of day in the life, come for a run with me type content. It's very tricky with Instagram because I really liked very polished content on Instagram, very high quality cinematic edits. But recently, Adam Missouri, which is the head of Instagram, he posted on his little group thing that people want more authentic and unpolished content. So that screams to me natural phone videos, no high quality camera, just phone day in the life. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I don't really love it. You know, I don't think it's that creative, but unfortunately, if you are going to do this full time, you kind of do have to go with the trends. It's almost like having a fashion or clothing brand. You do have to go with the trends, which is, I guess, one of the downsides of social media. I've been doing a lot more collaborations. I've been replying to more collabs. At the moment, it's only on a gifted basis. So what that means is that they will send you one of their products. So for example, the desk that I showed you, that desk is just a gift for me. And, you know, if I want it, if I think it aligns with me and the channel, then sure, I will accept it. So this month I've got obviously the desk. I have some compression boots. You might have seen that on my Instagram if you are following me there, for, you know, recovery from my marathon training. I have a ASRV monthly reel to get out as well, and also a prep kitchen reel. So quite a lot of different collabs this month. You know, as a creator, you kind of have to start off by doing a lot of these things for free. And, you know, to be able to showcase to prospective brands in the future that you have worked with people and companies in the past, and then they can see your content, how well does it engage with your audience, and then they will be more likely to pay in the future. So right now it's a lot of like laying the foundations as well. You know, I am also currently redesigning my website because I do want to have a little creative agency, you know, web development, maybe some videography, you know, things like that, something creative. So there's a lot of different avenues that I can go down at the moment. So just really trying to balance all of that together as well. And also in terms of like how I feel about, you know, now that I'm free, I honestly don't feel that much different. And I think it's because I've only really been, I guess, unemployed or self-employed, whatever you want to call it, for like 2 and a bit weeks now. So it hasn't really sunk in that I'm literally free and I can go and do whatever I want. I can literally go outside right now. It's like afternoon time. I could go outside for a walk. I could go to the shop. I could even go into London if I wanted to. But literally my routine has pretty much been exactly the same as my 9 to 5 working from home. Like, I literally wake up at the same time, I sit down, I go on my laptop, I'm editing, and I don't really think that I can do anything until after like 5:30, 6 p.m. So I think it's going to take a little bit of time to adjust to, you know, not having that. And also in my head as well, if I do go to the gym as I did during the mid-morning, I kind of feel like a little bit like, oh, I'm rushing to get back to work, when I'm like, oh, I don't have anything to get back to, if that makes sense. But I'm really, really loving, you know, my days at the moment. Like, I'm feeling really happy that I have, you know, this possibility that is very, I'm very, very lucky to have, and I feel very privileged. So yeah, that's where I am.
delighted to welcome you to the worldwide premiere of Micky 17!
Thank you guys for coming. So excited to be back in my hometown doing this premiere.
Then sit back, relax and enjoy. It's going to be incredible. Thank you so much, guys. Another round of applause, please.
Alright, so it's the weekend at the moment, and I thought I'd give you a breakdown of my experience at the Micky 17 world premiere. A very, very surreal experience. It's my first time attending such a big event like that. And growing up, I just never would have imagined that I would even be able to be in the same room as some of these big movie stars like Robert Pattinson, Stephen Yeun, and yeah, it's just crazy to me, honestly. I just have no words to explain my experience. I still don't even think that I've processed this event. But the film itself was a pretty cool concept. I feel like if you have a film as successful as Parasite, it's going to be very, very hard to, make another film that will be as good as that. I guess this film was based on the book. So the book had a very cool concept, but I feel the storyline could have maybe developed a little bit better, in my opinion. But it was still a really, really good film. It was quite a funny film. And just being able to see all of the actors and actresses on stage was so cool. Really, really cool. So yeah, I really appreciate my friend Zach for inviting me. Also the PR management as well. And yeah, it was just wild. Never would have imagined in my lifetime that I'd be able to attend these types of events. So feeling very, very grateful for all of these experiences and treasuring every single one that I get. It's very cold today. I've got 14 kilometers. Got my girlfriend there, keeping me company whilst we do this 14k. I'm gonna head to Victoria Park in East London. I'm just gonna do a few laps around there until we reach 14 kilometers and then head back. Yeah, 9k left. Pretty decent pace. We're doing around 5 minutes.
Feeling good?
Heart rate's around 156, so it's gonna work on my breathing. Try and keep it steady.
Through?
Yeah, literally halfway through now, 7 kilometers. Last split was 5:05. So we're going steady, which is really good. But all of this food here is making me hungry. Maybe we can get some afterwards. Right, so we have done 9.5 kilometers now, and we're going to head back from this park because it's starting to get a little bit busy. And also, the wind is crazy. I think next time I come here, I'm going to turn right and run anti-clockwise rather than clockwise, because I've just literally got wind resistance for the whole, basically 7 kilometers. One more K. Getting really tired now, but almost there. That's 14 done. That was really hard.